Don't forget it's an all-inclusive ticket, so if you're sitting up there in the grandstand and you see all this stuff going on down here in the infield, remember, all you have to do is walk over there. If you look over to your left, you'll see the pedestrian tunnel. You go down through the pedestrian tunnel, goes underneath turn 4 of the racetrack, brings you up over here. County Harley-Davidson has some motorcycles on display here tonight. You can also walk through the drag pit area, take a look at some of the cars that you'll see competing tonight on the street drag strip. And you can even peek in the windows of the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series garage. Auto auction here tomorrow morning, 11 a.m. is when the auction block will kick off. There's about 68, 69, 70 vehicles in line right now. Some beautiful cars that'll be auctioned off tomorrow morning here. Take a look at those. You'll have plenty of time to get back up into the grandstand, grab yourself a nice cold Coca-Cola, something to eat, maybe one of those Friday Night Drag t-shirts, and then you can head down or find yourself your seat there at the grandstand and enjoy a night of drag racing. Special Happy Father's Day to Alan Gaddis from Dawn, Rick, Amanda, and Beth. So Happy Father's Day to Alan Gaddis from Dawn, Rick, celebrating an early Father's Day celebration out here at Friday Night Drag. Thanks for coming out. We appreciate your support here on Friday night. You can look around the track area. You'll see the 50-50 raffles taking place. Great way to help out charities and the 75-plus charities that day help out around the Atlanta Sports Course area. The 50-50 raffle tickets, $1 per ticket. You can buy your height tickets for $20. 50%
we had two nights on the back of their thing.
All I heard was noise.
Go to the lucky ticket holders who had their pockets full of cash. The other 50%, like I said,
in the back of the truck underneath.
Charities and all the fine organizations that they support. Kick back, enjoy yourself. Don't forget, it is an all-inclusive ticket, so enjoy Atlanta Motor Speedway and everything. That's Friday Night Drags and the show and shine. Maybe.
That's the question.